Okay, so when you get your package from Vanbrella, you need to lay it all out on the floor before you start so you know where each bit goes. So if we start at the bottom, this bit will be the foot that goes into the bottom of your van floor. Sitting in that is the 20mm box, which sits inside the 25mm box. This lug here needs to sit on the back, so this is the left one sitting on the back. Then if you come around to the top, we have the cross piece here, which will go at the top of the van, just inside the door opening of the van. This bracket will locate onto that, which gets fixed to the top of your van opening. Okay, then this S bracket goes on the outside like that, and this is what you fit your sheet to. This will go inside there like that. So you can adjust the height for your van with this bolt here. You can move this box in and out to get the desired height. And for the width, you need to adjust this bolt here. It needs to be about the width of the door opening. So set it so it's just inside your black rubbers, and that'll be a good starting point. You can tweak it a bit later if you need to. Then we're gonna just talk about the feet. There's a little foot inside the van floor there. It's just a Tech screw through the floor, and that's what the box is going to sit into. Okay. Literally just goes in like that. When you position it, you get your little bracket like that, and you attach that to either the back of the door opening here, or you can do it to the underneath of the opening like that, whichever you think is better for your particular van. But what it needs to do, it just needs to slide over it like that, and then you can tighten it up with the nut, and that is what keeps it in place. So the next bit is assembling the support for the sheet. So it's made up of the two S brackets and a cross piece. Make sure your lug is on the outside. Just slip that in over there. Slip that in over there. Put the bolts in. Don't tighten these up properly yet, because you'll see they're only temporary at the moment. So that's your support with both the lugs on the outside. This one's a bit awkward on your own, but you have to put the bolt through the box and through the support bracket. Tighten everything up later. Okay. With the central bracket here, you can put on any of the faces, the front face, the back face, the top face, or the underneath. And what you need to do is have it so that it keeps this tight to the van opening, so it's nice and solid for this to pivot to work. So once you've got that in place, nice and tight, you need to decide which of these holes is best for your van. So you've got 3 adjustment holes. You need to have this S bracket so it's quite close to the black rubber there, and that's how it works best. Then you can attach your gas strut. So this just goes from the lug on the upright and attaches to the lug on the S bracket, and just tighten your nut up on there. And obviously do the same to the other side. So the last thing to do then is to prepare your sheet to go on the support. Rather than waste your proper sheet, you might be using aluminium, you might be using plyboard, it's up to you. But if you cut a little hardboard or even cardboard one to check first of all, you can just check it in place and make sure that you've got the right shape as it comes up. So you need to have a very slight arc on the front of your board, so when it comes right up into place, it just needs to displace the water into that channel there, look, which keeps you dry when you're working. And then when it comes down, it just misses that black rubber at the front. So you just need it to brush that as it goes up. When it goes into its full height, it should put the water in the right place.